He's gonna help him.
I'll make it so it's not so hard. He's pumping out. Come on, pull him. Oh!
Ouch.
No,
Let's not do that. That'll hurt his head.
You'll hurt his head. Just pull him. Pull. Go. Erica, how much is your dog weigh?
Like 72 pounds.
Attaboy. Come on. 15 more years till LSU tryouts. Let's go.
Go. Now. Archer fighting.
Why don't you go that way? Go that way. There's more room. Go toward Uncle B.
Let's do this.
You're not going anywhere. Tug of war. Aww. Now pull him. Pull him. He said, pull me, Drew. Oh, boy. Oh, that's my strong little boy.
Stop.
Well, I don't think you guys have to worry about him with a child.
He's gonna pull you. Also gonna pull you.